Metabolism boosting breakthrough stimulates your fat cells to release more hard-to-lose fat to be burned. Losing 24 to 32 pounds in just 28 days has never been easier. Stop the sneaky metabolic weight loss killers messing with your fat-burning hormones that are slowing down your metabolism and blocking your ability to burn ugly unwanted fat. I'll show you how you can quickly and easily force all 4 fat-storing and burning hormones to work together to rapidly boost your energy and skyrocket your fat-burning metabolism so you can drop 24 to 32 pounds or more in just 4 short weeks. Lose 2 to 3 dress or pant sizes by rapidly cranking up your fat-burning hormones. Drop 24 to 32 pounds or more in just 4 short weeks. Lose 2 to 3 dress or pant sizes by rapidly cranking up your fat-burning hormones. Remove 4 to 8 inches from your waist to look slender, fit, and trim in anything you wear. Stop your bad food cravings that send you running to the cupboard or refrigerator. Force all 4 fat hormones to work together and back under your control. Prevent carbs from turning into fat, making your fat loss easier and faster. Stop yourself from being jittery or being filled with any artificial or unnatural chemicals. Turbocharge your metabolism to sizzle off more fat all day and all night long. Turn up your fat burn, exercise less, lose more weight. You will see visible results starting in just 7 days. Trust me when I tell you there's finally a fat loss solution to burn trapped fat that's simple and works. The 4-week diet works like nothing you've ever seen or tried before, because it forces all 4 fat-storing and fat-burning hormones to work together, rather than against your fat loss efforts, to release more locked-in fat for better fat loss results and all-day-long energy. It's custom designed to force your body's 4 fat hormones to rapidly release and burn the fat just like your body's physiology was meant to. Inside the 4-week diet system you'll discover how to control 4 fat-regulating hormones including ghrelin, the fat-storing hormone, insulin, the hormone that resists release of stored fat, cortisol, the metabolism-lowering hormone, and adiponectin, the fat-burning hormone. The reason why this metabolic breakthrough is so effective: it works with all 4 fat-storing and fat-burning metabolic steps involved in the fat loss process. You need all 4 of these fat hormones to work in harmony to properly dispose of unwanted body fat. The fat storage hormone levels so you aren't craving bad foods. Restoring insulin imbalance so you can reduce glucose levels in the blood. Reducing cortisol overload which harms your ability to burn fat at higher levels. Boosting adiponectin, the fat-burning hormone, levels to boost fat-burning metabolism. The 4-week diet is a new scientific breakthrough, and works by forcing your fat-storing and fat-burning hormones to work together in it's as easy as 1 2 3.